everybody, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm excited because I just got in a Scentsy box, so I haven't done a haul video in a while. Let me fix this. I don't know why I haven't been filming my hauls, but I mean, I've obviously been getting Scentsy in, but I haven't been filming them. So I'm excited to share these with you. Okay, so we're going to start with the small stuff and we'll get to the warmers last, okay? And as you can see, I have my Harry Potter collection, which just sold out today. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I got mine. And I put a red bulb in mine so that I can rep my house, which is Gryffindor. I don't know which house you're in, but I'm a Gryffindor. So let me go ahead and get started. So first off, one of the things I got with my free, because I bundled everything and made it a party. And so I got Hostess Credits, which if you are a Scentsy customer and you buy Scentsy, you should be a consultant so you could put in your own orders and bundle them. And once your order hits 200, you can get free and half price stuff plus commission on your own order. Boom. And you can have that party open, that party. It doesn't have to be like a party with food and stuff. It could just be like a link. You can have your link open for 90 days. That's 3 months. So as you're ordering from yourself, you're linking to the party so you can get free and half price stuff, which I did with what's in the box. I had a lot of people ordering online, so they were linking it to this party, so I was building up rewards. So yay. But one of the things I got, I'm obsessed with scent circles, and I absolutely love skinny dipping. It's a tried and true scent, but it's so good in Scent Circle. You guys, it's delicious. So I definitely recommend, okay? The next thing I got, this is for a customer. She wanted the Freshen Up Pup Spray, and she got it in orange, zest, and nectar. I use this on my dog. But what is the scent? It's like coconut milk and lavender or something like that. And it smells phenomenal. And the Best Bud Sud shampoo as well. So she got the shampoo and the deodorizing spray. Now, I heard that the detangler works great on human hair. So, and I love the scent. I'm gonna have to smell this, okay? This one's pretty, but I like the one I have better. I like the coconut milk and lavender, I think it's called, or something like that. I probably should just look it up. It's not like I don't have a catalog sitting right here. So let's look it up because I want to be sure of the scent. But I want to buy the detangling spray for myself because my dog doesn't really have a lot of hair. He is a Frenchie. Coconut milk and lavender. Okay, so these come in cherry blossom and mango, which is new, and that actually would be great, I think, for my hair. So maybe I'm gonna try that. And it also comes in honey and chamomile. That sounds good too. And then oatmeal and aloe, orange zest and nectar, and sweet pea and shea. I'm gonna have to get the scent stickers so I can smell what they smell like. I want to check that out. Okay, so that's what we got for a customer. I have to bag that up. Let's see. Then I got, this is mine, I got for free, Watermelon Tangerine Body Wash. We go through a ton of body wash. I got these as well in my free. Let me tell you, you guys, it's so worth it to just go ahead and join and get your stuff for free. So I got, and these are larger than the ones that we used to have. So they're a little bit more expensive because you get more product, but I like that I don't have to change it out as often. I feel like I'm going to sneeze. Sorry. So this one is Hibiscus Pineapple, and look how pretty that is for your bathroom or your kitchen. Like, so pretty. So I got that one for myself. Again, these were free for me. This one is the Watermelon Tangerine, which I love. Look how pretty that is. And this one's great for the kitchen because I have all of my counter clean and dish soap and all that. And in the spring, summer, I like to use Squeeze the Day. So how pretty will that look next to Squeeze the Day? Or even, what is it called? Sunkissed Citrus. Like, look how pretty. Perfect for the kitchen sink. And this one, my friend Lisa is raving about. I've never tried it. It's new in our body and clean line, and it's called Make a Splash. But everybody is loving. Look at the red-headed merman. How cute is he? The red-headed merman. Let's see if we can. How adorable, right? The art on these is amazing. Okay, so now these are for my customer. And it's so cool because she started ordering for me online. We didn't know each other. And then I was going to have a Scentsy party for the end of the month, for last month when it ended the catalog. And I invited all my customers and she came. So I got to meet her in person, which like now she's my friend and I love that. And now she ordered from this current catalog. So absolutely love that. Okay, so she got Squeeze the Day, which smells amazing. And she got Paradise Punch, which is, that was one of the scents that drew me into joining Scentsy. It was, my very first scent was Skinny Dipping, and I also ordered Paradise Punch. And so these like bring me back to like when I first joined. And okay, so those are hers. And then the scent and warmer of the month for this month are absolutely amazing. We have, if you haven't seen it yet, it's a little Easter gnome, and he's so cute, and the scent is amazing. The scent is called Hey Tiger Lily, and it's floral, but it has like a citrus note to it. It's really pretty. But I knew I was going to be sending out a lot of these. My Happy Meal is actually going to go out this week, and so what I had to do was I had to order more because my Happy Meal pretty much takes all of my flyers. And I need some for work because I leave them in the bathroom so that people can pick them up and smell them and take them with them. And I got more of the Rub and Smell stickers. So those are mine. And then my customer, also got 2 fragrance flowers. And this one is, it's always so hard to figure out which one's what scent. I know they put it on the box, but I can never find it. But she ordered 2 of them. Let's see. Oh, okay, here we go. She ordered Watermelon Tangerine. She ordered the Watermelon Tangerine, and then I think this is a different scent. And then one was the Darling Dahlia, and the other one was the Buttercup Belle. And Blue Grotto, which you can never go wrong with Blue Grotto. So she got 2 of those, so I'm excited to give those to her tomorrow. And then she ordered a bubbled ultraviolet warmer. I'll show you the glass part of it, but I'm not going to take it all out of everything because I want to keep it nice for her, but yet I still want to do quality control and make sure everything's kosher. Okay, so let's check out her dish and make sure her bulb isn't broken. Okay, so this is the color of this warmer. It is absolutely stunning. I have this warmer as well. It's this beautiful purpley plum color. Isn't that pretty? So wait till you see the warmer. Okay, hold on. I want to keep everything nice because this one is not mine. The next 2 are mine, so I'm going to be treating it a little bit different. I'm going to be like, and look at this and look at that. Okay, so here's the warmer, and it's so pretty. I want to make sure the bulb's good, so I'm going to take the bulb out. And this is the warmer. Isn't it pretty? Oh my goodness, look at that. And it has an Edison, I believe this was an Edison bulb or is it 25 watt? It's a 25 watt. But how beautiful is this warmer, right? Super duper chic. I love this warmer. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to put that back in there. And I'm going to put this in here. I'm not going to bag up the whole thing right now, but I'm going to make sure it's safe on my desk. Would hate for anything to happen to it. Okay, and then I'll bag that up in a moment. Okay, so that's all hers. Okay, so then I got a couple of the new warmers for myself, and I'm super excited. So the first one that I got is Copper Cast. And I'm going to go ahead and I will do a video on this. So stay tuned. I'm not going to open mine, but that's what it looks like. Copper Cast. And then I got the Summer Rain Warmer that everyone is like going crazy over. And I'm like late to the party here. So I'm excited. So you guys stay tuned and watch those videos. They are coming soon. As a matter of fact, as soon as I turn this off, I'm going to start a new video. Like that's how soon it's happening. All right, you guys, I hope you're having a great day and I'll talk to you later. Bye.